Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to restore OneNote from a backup. First, open your OneNote app and go to top left corner and choose Files. Scroll down and go to Options. Click on Save and Backup. And make sure these toggles are turned on. And as you can see, this backup folder is where your backups are stored in the computer. Close it and go to My Files once again. And go to Open Backup. This is your backup folder in your computer. Open it and select and click on Open. As you can see, we have successfully restored OneNote from a backup. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.